Hello and welcome. My name is Benjamin Layle. I'm a fifth-year computer and electrical engineer here at Michigan Tech. And today my entry into Masterpiece Mania is Vurby, which stands for Virtual Reality Bomb Disposal Bot. The reason for that being that this was the original design that I had thought up for a bot to fulfill that purpose. It can be expanded since then and has been, but currently this is in its initial prototype phase and it is a proof of concept to show that within virtual reality, I can pilot a robot by moving these two arms here and driving it while also steering it. So today I'll be presenting that. In the first half of the video, I'll be showing the virtual reality environment, showing that I simultaneously move game objects while also controlling the robot. And then the second part of the video, I will get down and show the ways that Vurby is currently functioning. So I will pull up my code for you here. And we additionally have a live feed directly from Vurby itself. And let's switch over to the virtual reality headset. All right, so as you can see, based on my cursor, this is the Raspberry Pi, which is currently receiving position data corresponding to the spots of these two red cubes in virtual reality, which you can see right there. This corresponds with various information for moving and rotating the arms, as well as driving and steering. So additionally, we have a live feed up front, so while you're piloting Vurby, you can see what's going on. So as you can see, when I grab these, the arms move along with and where they go. Currently, there are invisible boundaries allowing me to go to their maximum physical constraints, all the way to the left and right, all the way inwards, down, and up. I can additionally do on any movement I like within this range. And currently as well, I have the drive mechanic set to this trigger, but eventually I can have that controlled through another button press, while having this trigger controlling being able to grab things off of the ground and lift them up. So currently, as you can see, when I press the drive, Vurby drives forward. When I press the reverse, Vurby drives backwards. Additionally, when I press left and right, you can see that he is able to turn left and right, allowing him to steer through and maneuver around, completely seen through this and this block right here. And as you can tell as well, I have the ability to do everything simultaneously. So I could be driving around while additionally manipulating objects above Vurby. In a later iteration as well, this camera right here would be replaced with a 360-degree view, allowing me to see in every direction and being able to see even behind Vurby and respond to any sort of obstacle that would be coming his way. So next, in the next portion, I will be showing you specific on how Vurby it works and down into the mechanical details. All right, so we're going to be talking about the specifics of how I got Vurby to control this from Vurby's view currently right here through the front of him and translating it to that over there, as well as the code. In basics, I managed to have set up a TCP connection between my Unity environment and my Raspberry Pi to send over integers and have them translated through these cords into controlling these servos. So how Vurby works is we have this power pack right here, which is currently set to powering the Raspberry Pi and keeping it active. We have this power pack right here, which is connected to a USB cable and connected right around down there. That is currently set out to allow us to run all of these motors simultaneously. Additionally, we have a battery pack on the side here, which is in charge of powering this drive board right up into the front. These servos will be controlling moving forward and back, as well as left and right. Inside of the Pelican case in here, we also have the board that is controlling the drive motor as well as the steering motor. For the functions of this video, we have those turned off so that Vurby doesn't drive off the end of the table. But as you can see, when I press this button right here, this servo is set to drive forward, as well as when the other controller is pressed, it is set to drive backwards. Additionally, when I press left and right, this controls the steering of left and right for Vurby itself. And how this works is I have two servo motors right here, which I have run through the board. I have allowed them to stay on turn within the physical constraints. It turns just enough to press the button for both of these. As well, I have a servo motor under each arm set to rotating and controlling which direction the arm is facing, as well as a servo here which controls the arm moving up and down. We do have some code, but the code would take too long to get into for this video. But this is Vurby. I hope you enjoyed and thank you very much for letting me participate in Masterpiece Mania. It's great to be here at Tech.